So another method you can use to glaze, apart from dipping, is pouring. And this is mostly used for larger vessels. You can also use this for when you want to have one glaze on the inside and one on the outside. So this is a bowl that's too big to fit in the bucket. And so if I want to glaze this, I have to pour over it. And so I've just mixed up this glaze right before I pour, and I pour lightly so it doesn't spill. I've got that tray to catch all of the glaze, so I'm not going to waste any of it. I want to get a nice even coat all the way around. And then right there where that little chunk is forming, I'm going to pour enough to get that off. And this is one of the ways to get the most even coating. You can also be a little bit creative with getting drips down each different part that will be, different shapes and thicknesses if you want one part thicker, and mixing a couple of different glazes. But that's the pouring. Then any of the excess, I'm going to go ahead and just pour right back into the glaze. Right before I put it into the pitcher, I need to make sure it's mixed up. You don't want to be getting an irregular mix with mostly water up at the top. It won't do the same thing. So there you go. Once this has had a chance to set up a bit, then I'm going to pour that off. In the meantime, I'm going to try and get some of this out of the inside so it doesn't drip everywhere. And you can see this is starting to dry over there. Once this dries, I'll flip it over.